I know, I keep hearing that.
I don't hear anything.
Yes. Up.
I'm also chewing ice. So.
Kind of sounds like a cry. But
Yeah,
like,
I hear music.
Yeah.
That's
I
why
remember the first time I was so young, Leslie was a baby,
Up.
and we lived on Bluff, right up the road.
It is official. We are for sale. The MLS listing went up at 11:58 today. The first appointment to see the house was at 12:36.
So, we just got word that we have a contract on our house. Got a contract in 36 hours.
I'm gonna take my worries to the water and wash them away. Gonna take my worries to the water and wash them away. You know that cool, cool water's gonna soothe my soul. Cool, cool water's gonna make me whole. Take my worries to the water and wash them away.
Alright, you gotta love boat move-on day. Wet, windy, just dreary. It's gotta be done. Alright, this is I think load 3, but this should be it. We're getting there. Hey babe, how's it going? Move on day.
crazy.
Wet and dreary, but we're wife's still recovering from being sick. She's no longer working at Baptist. Working her butt off around the house, getting everything ready. And we packed everything up, headed for the boat at 2. And I'd say we're pretty much in. Everything's put away, not in its final destination, but it's put away. There's not stuff everywhere. There was earlier, but now we're pretty much set up. We are officially moved out of the house and onto the boat, 100%. Hey everybody, it's our 3rd day of living on the boat full-time. House went on the market yesterday. We've got 2 showings. One was about an hour after we put it on the market yesterday, and the other is today about 10. So yeah, things are going well. This is the marina we live in. This is Harbor Town Marina. This is where we've kept the boat for the last 3 years. Really, really nice marina, very well sheltered. We're in the back. I'll get some photos and video of that. But we're gonna leave here at the end of February, and a friend of ours is gonna rent the slip from us, so that's great. We'll keep that, and we'll do a slow cruise down to Palm Coast, stopping in St. Augustine. It's been a little while since we've been there, and we'll just continue to move on. First 3 days have been great on the boat, gotten a lot done, putting things in their place. I'm sure we'll move them around once we get used to working, you know, on the daily activities on the boat. But all in all, very good time thus far. There's Jackson behind me. He just went to the bathroom, so this is part of his routine. Anyway, I'll get some more videos online on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't done that so far. Alright, cheers. Part of the daily walk. A little foggy this morning. At least it's not ultimately cold. It's supposed to be a beautiful weekend. We're going to take Kelz Escape out. A little shakedown. She's getting her annual maintenance next week before we leave, and also a full wash and wax and buff out. Very nice area. Sorry about the wind noise. I don't know where the wind came from. It just kicked up. Good morning, day 3. Let's see what we can do here. I still can't see you. That's because she's in hiding. We'll try something else. Oh, bad. Jackson's helping. Good boy. Way to help out. Alright, we'll give her some time back. Crazy mornings. Dog's always happy, ready to go. Alright, we are on the boat. This is Kelz Escape 2008 Tierra Sovereign. It's got Volvo Penta IPS 600s. So, comfortable cruiser, but it can get up and go if you want. Got our beach cruisers and our 2 paddle boards. Those will go on the front. We're going to go out tomorrow, so we thought we'd just leave them off for a little bit. We have everything on the boat. Okay, maybe dive tanks and fishing rods. That's all that's left. Outdoors. Got our sunshade with vinyl top on from Musa. Auto and Marine Interiors, highly recommended them. New carpet. My wife's favorite lamp. Got our new interior. You don't see her very often, but this is my beautiful bride, Kelly.
What's wrong with your...
Is it
pinky?
bleeding?
Yes.
Okay, I was wondering where that was coming from. And my pinky is bleeding for
He's injured.
some unknown reason. I was wondering where that blood was showing up from on the counter. Her glass of wine and water, hydrate, dehydrate. And you can tell this one is very disturbed. I'm not sure if he's going to make it.
He's had multiple meals today.
Ugh,
His food, the cat's food.
everybody's food. He's in nervous eating, I'm sure. Our upper lounge area. Down below, I'm actually shocked. We got everything put away and we still have ample open storage area. You wouldn't think this would be a huge storage boat, but it is. Our salon, chilling area. In fact, 3, this one, and this one are totally empty under the couch. This one looks very disturbed as well. I'm not sure if she's going to make it. The master. Again. Everything's put away. Well, except for my morning jacket since it's still a little cool. One of the major sales features on this boat is the amazing shower. This is the master's head. But the shower Full stand up, glassed in, with sitting area and skylight. All right, let's go see my office. Back through the salon. Again, kitchen totally set up. I like the little, we got our magnetic knife rack up. Everything's put away, all the pots, pans, you name it. And this is the kitty and dog room. So this is the second berth. You can see the cat box, which I'd love to teach them to go to the bathroom on the toilet. My office, which works out great. One of many. I can be here, I can be in the salon, I can be in the upper helm or on the transom. And kitty number 2. This is Sushi, 17 plus years old. She's struggling as well, as you can see. She got the big pillows. They have their sleepers. That's my my support during working hours. So, and the second head. All right. Till next time. It's good to be on the boat. The house is actively being seen. So, talk to you later.
So, we just got word that we have a contract on our house. Got a contract in 30